rotisserie chicken pasta with Olive Garden dressing sauce. Wow, this is a surprise. Super easy and super tasty. So let's cook it. Start by boiling 2 cups of pasta. Meanwhile, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a medium-hot skillet. Then add 1 tablespoon of flour and whisk until all flour is dissolved. Pour in half a cup of milk, half a cup of chicken broth, and half a teaspoon salt. Bring the sauce to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes. Then pour in half a cup of Olive Garden dressing. Let it simmer for a minute and add 4 ounces of cream cheese. Let the cream cheese completely melt. Now add 1 cup of cooked shredded rotisserie chicken. Mix the chicken with the sauce. What is your favorite use of rotisserie chicken? Let us know in the comments. Now add a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Make sure you keep an eye on the pasta and stir it once in a while. Let the Parmesan cheese melt. When the pasta is done cooking, drain it using a colander. Then add it to the sauce. If you like this video, please share it. Gently mix the pasta with the chicken and the sauce. And there you have it, a creamy chicken pasta sauce, made from rotisserie chicken and Olive Garden dressing. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.